These are the mistakes I have done, and I will show you all the proof so that you do not do it. Actually, these are the silliest mistake one can do. अब तक तुम्हें YPP creator भी बन जाती. You are on the verge of it now. You do not receive your payments. Like, what is this? Like, I regret, but not to a point ki. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Prakriti. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So this video gonna be a super different sort of video than what I do on my channel and what you are used to see. It's not a makeup haul, or it's not anything tutorial or any kind of general haul video on my channel. This is gonna be super different in terms of ki I will share with you all what are the insights and what are the mistakes basically I have done. That's why my payments on YouTube is getting so delayed, even if I have fulfilled the criteria of the YPP, that is the YouTube partner program. Still now these are the mistakes, huge mistakes I would say rather, that I did that made me sit back for the longest time now. And मैंने सोचा था कि मैं इसके बारे में कोई भी वीडियो नहीं बनाऊंगी for the longest time, but now I understand that if I say it somewhere, you guys are also interested in knowing कि कैसे work करता है YouTube in general and what are the guidelines to become a creator and get payments from YouTube is very important to understand, ताकि आप भी मेरे जैसे ऐसे mistake बिल्कुल भी मत करो. So without any further delay, we will quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay now, let's get quickly jump into the video. So as the intro tells, basically I will talk about various criteria on YouTube platform and also about what are the mistakes I have done. So मैं इसके साथ ये भी बोलूँगी what is actually YPP, and I think you should know what is actually behind and what goes behind if you want to take this YouTube as a really your career, and if you are interested to invest time on it. So it might be helpful for some of you right there. So yeah, let's dive into it. So first, I will talk about the YouTube's eligibility criteria. So according to eligibility criteria, before ऐसा था कि अगर if you are having this 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours within 365 days, like a 1 year of time span में अगर ये दोनों criteria fulfill होता है, like the 4000 watch hours criteria basically में fulfill हो जाता है, तो you become the part of the YouTube partner program. तो आप YPP creator बन जाते हो, ठीक है. But now the criteria has been a little bit changed, as in कि YouTube ने थोड़ा सा relax down कर दिया चीज़ों को कि अगर आपके पास 3000 public watch hours in last 365 days and you have like 500 subscribers, you will be getting certain advantages in terms of you will get the shopping chat open, the supers and certain memberships where the YouTube won't pay you the money, but your subscribers, your viewers will be able to put some input, as in terms of कि आपको membership buy कर लिया या फिर ऐसे कुछ benefits मिलेगा, ठीक है. YouTube से नहीं. अभी this criteria does not you will be not benefited from the YouTube directly, but rather from your viewers or your subscribers. Now coming to the next criteria, once you have fulfilled this 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours in last 365 days, you will be becoming the YouTube partner program creator, and you will get a message from YouTube itself that now you are YPP creator. So what you have to do is you have to link your account with the Google AdSense account. So what is Google AdSense? Let me give you a small brief में बता देती हूँ. AdSense is a Google program that lets the creator getting paid. Okay, so AdSense से क्या होता है, whenever the contents you put on the YouTube, like whatever the contents you put on YouTube, उस पे ad run होता है, so that ads generate certain amount of revenue. Now with the help of linking this Google AdSense with your channel link, it will help you to generate the revenue, and a certain percentage of the revenue being generated will be shared with you. Now what happens is that अगर जो भी ad run होता है, so the revenue get collected in your via this Google AdSense account, and once the revenue is up to like $100, minimum आपका revenue $100 generate होना चाहिए, so to get the payments, okay? मतलब कि YouTube तभी आपका payments release करेगा once you have collected like $100. अगर आपके like YPP program बन भी जाते हो, then also you have like just collected $70 or $60 or so, तब तक release नहीं होगा जब तक कि आपका minimum $100 ना हो जाए. इससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, 200 250 doesn't matter, but this is the basic criteria. Now let me add here another thing is that even if you are not a part of YPP creator, whatever the contents you are putting on YouTube, still then the ads really run on your this content whatever you put online on your channel, so वो भी collect होता है. ऐसे मत सोचो कि अगर आप YPP creator हो तभी जाके आप revenue generate कर सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं है. आपके previous videos का भी revenue generate होगा and वो collection में रहेगा, and once you become YPP and all those criteria is being fulfilled, then the payments will be released. Okay, so do not think about कि आप YPP creator नहीं हो तो फिर the मेहनत you have done उसका पैसा कैसे मिलेगा. वो सब कुछ collected होता है, like the whatever ads being featured on your content will be collected, and you will get all your payments right, fully on valid points once you have fulfilled the criteria in the future terms. And मतलब future में जाके जब भी fulfill होगा तुम पहले चीजों के लिए you will be getting paid, okay? So don't worry for that. Now coming to the point, what are the mistakes I have done? So back in 2020-22, my criteria of this 4,000 watch hours, मेरा एक वीडियो ऐसा था, इतना अच्छा चल गया कि उसमें मेरा 4,000 वॉच आवर का क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल हो गया था. दिस आई एम टॉकिंग इन मार्च 2022. उसके बाद क्या हुआ इन मार्च 2022 on June to July, I had to shift to Punjab because for my master's. So जब मैं पंजाब गया, उधर जाके मेरा क्या हुआ कि मैं 1 से 2 वीडियोस मैक्सिमम इन अ मंथ आई यूज्ड टू पोस्ट, एंड मेरा तभी भी 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स का फुलफिल नहीं हुआ, ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ बट नहीं हुआ था, लेकिन वॉच आवर्स हो गया. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, वॉच आवर्स फुलफिल करना बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है दैन गेनिंग सब्सक्राइबर्स. अभी तो सब्सक्राइबर्स मिलना बहुत ही, मतलब क्या बोलूँ कि इट्स नॉट ईजी दैन मेकिंग द 4,000. मतलब वॉच आवर बनाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, इतना आई कैन टेल यू. और ऑल्सो मेरा इनकन्सिस्टेंसी इतना बढ़ गया कि आई यूज्ड टू, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था, मैं हॉस्टल में रहती थी, सो वीडियो फिल्म करना वाज अ मतलब टास्क इन इटसेल्फ. ऑल्सो मैं बहुत इंजॉय भी कर रही थी, ऐसे मैं नहीं बोलूँगी, और मैं इतना सीरियस कभी भी नहीं थी यूट्यूब को लेकर. अब मैं तो फन में हमेशा, मैं अभी भी बोलती हूँ कि फन में करती हूँ. हाँ चलो कि अभी तो थिंग्स आर वेरी डिफरेंट, एंड तभी मेरे को सिर्फ बार्टर कोलैबोरेशन मिलता था, मतलब जो भी बार्टर्स मिलता था मैं ले लेती थी. एंड अभी तो थिंग्स different, touchwood, but yeah, this was back in 2020-22. अब क्या हुआ, जो मैं 1 से 2 वीडियोस मंथ में डाल रही थी इन 2022 के लेट में या फिर शुरुआत ऑफ 2023 में, वो भी डालना, मतलब लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ कंटेंट वाज नॉट देयर ऑन माय चैनल. एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. मैंने 1 साल तक कोई भी लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ कंटेंट नहीं दिया. जो भी पार्टर कोलैब्स का शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ कंटेंट लाइक इन फॉर्म ऑफ शॉर्ट्स वीडियो, मैं वही पुट कर रही थी, और ओकेजनली 1-2 सिर्फ शॉर्ट्स ही जा रहा था. मैंने 1 साल तक कुछ भी नहीं डाला, एंड दैट्स वेयर दिस 4,000 वॉच आवर्स का जो भी क्राइटेरिया जो भी फुलफिल हुआ था, दैट गोज इनटू वेन, like completely vain. And yeah, that's what that is the biggest mistake. So अगर आप थोड़ा बहुत consistent भी हो जाओ, मतलब कितना ही difficult होगा कि आप 1-2 वीडियोस महीने में डाल दो. at least you try to make 4 videos a month, but that is what I'm telling. That is the mistake I have done. So I would say if you're really serious about taking YouTube as a career, or you want to really generate or monetize your channel, make sure being very consistent, and these small mistakes can take a long away and set back from your being the YPP creator also. So that's pretty much of this video. I hope you liked it. I don't know actually how this will be portrayed in my video, through my video, but anyways, these are the small things, small mistakes that I really want to mention so that you do not do. So lastly, I will tell only one thing, that be consistent and showing up is very important on this platform. So that's it for this video. I hope it will help you a little bit, and if you have any further question or you want to ask me something, comment down below, or you can DM me directly. I would love to answer. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.